Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Zuchu in Joeboy. This song is only 3 chords and very simple. So if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure, and I'm sure that you will be able to play this song. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. It will really help me with the ranking of these tutorials, and I will really appreciate if you did so. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. Well, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of C, and the progression is 2, 6, 3, 6. So the 2 is a D minor chord, the 6 is an A minor chord, and then 3 is E minor, and back to 6, A minor chord. So that's the progression for the song, start to end. So well, the D minor chord, I am using my pointer finger on string number 1, first fret, my middle finger on string number 3, second fret, and my ring finger is on string number 2, but on the 3rd fret. So this is D minor chord. The chord that follows is an A minor chord, which is the 6th chord of key of C. So my pointer finger is on string number 2, first fret. My my middle finger is on string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger is on string number 3, 2nd fret, A minor. And then the chord that follows is an E minor chord. So E minor, I'm playing string number 5 with my middle finger, and string number 4 with my ring finger, both at the 2nd fret, and then back to A minor chord. So that's the chord progression for this song. So it's so you can either play them from this position of open chords, or you can opt to play your bar chords, where you start with the D minor here, then A minor, and then E minor, and back to A minor. So on this bar chord form, my pointer finger is on fret number 5, barring string 1 all the way to 5, and then my middle finger is on string number 2, fret number 6, my ring finger string number 4 on the 7th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 7th fret, A minor. And then this A minor chord, I am barring with my pointer finger string 1, 2, and 3 on the 5th fret, and then my ring finger is on string number 4, string number 3, means string number 4, but on the 7th fret. So A minor, and then E minor chord. E minor, pointer finger on 7th fret, barring string 1 to 5, and then my middle finger on string number 2, this is the 8th fret, and then my ring finger string number 4 on the 9th fret, and my little finger string number 3, 9th fret, and back to A minor. So the chord is, the song is that progression from start to end. Well, that's it for this tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Encourage me by giving me that that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and yeah. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.